In this video, you will learn how to convert text into speech. This process is also known as TTS or text-to-speech. It's the ability of your computer to play back written text as spoken words. So how do we actually use this tool? Make sure to watch this video till the end and give it a thumbs up because it's gonna show you a new trick that can be very handy. If this is your first time on my channel, then hit that subscribe button and turn the bell notification so you can be informed about all new videos I upload on this channel. There are many different reasons you might want to use text-to-speech tool. One of them could be your eyes are too tired of looking at the computer screens or page of a book. It can be a good idea to have your computer read out for you. You can use different male and female sounds at different pace. You do not need any other software. You have everything that you need with Windows 10. This app comes pre-installed with your operating system. It's called OneNote for Windows 10. Access your taskbar search field and type in OneNote. Choose the best match on the top of the search result and click on this one. If you search for OneNote but you do not see anything show up, don't worry, you can still get it entirely for free. Simply open up the Microsoft Store app and on the right hand corner, click on Search and then type in OneNote. Right here we see OneNote for Windows 10. You can click on that and then you can download it. Once you installed it on your computer, open the app. I have already composed some text in here that I want the computer to read to me. This is the text. Up on the top I have all these different tabs. I will click on this one called View. Right here, there is a feature called Immersive Reader. Let's click on that and it opens up the Immersive Reader. And if you have never seen this before, the Immersive Reader makes it really easy to focus on the text that you are reading. You can have a double spacing, you can change the text over here and many other options. When I click on this one, I can have it go through and read all of this for me. To the right of the play icon, I can also click on voice settings and here I can adjust the voice speed to fast or very slow. Down below, I can also choose the voice that I want. I have a male voice or a female voice, separate options, and the computer will read to us.
Hey, my name is Zia Maliki, and I am a YouTuber. When you subscribe to my channel, you're gonna get tutorials on information technology, computers, laptops, mobile phones, cryptocurrency, and YouTube channel growth. Every single week I upload a video for you. Hey, click on the red right now, subscribe to my channel, like this video if it has helped you.
So isn't that cool? Let me know down in the comment box if you are able to convert text to speech. To see more videos like this, please consider subscribing and I will see you next time.